In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your NotebookLM chat so it won't disappear after you refresh your browser. If you've ever lost your chat history after a quick refresh, you know how frustrating it can be. So we're going to walk through this process step by step to ensure that your important notes are safely stored. Let's dive in. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type in NotebookLM and then proceed to the search results. You're looking for the official NotebookLM website, so click on that link to open it. Once you're on the website, you'll see a button that says Try NotebookLM. Go ahead and click on this button to get started. Next, you'll see the option to create new. Select that, and you'll be prompted to upload your source files. Click on Upload Sources and choose the appropriate file from your device. This is an important step because the document you choose will be the one you reference during your chat session. Uploading a file means that you'll have content ready to prompt the AI for summaries or insights. After selecting your source file, you'll see a prompt area where you can enter your specific query or request. For example, you might type, "Give me a summary of this document." This is where the real magic happens, as NotebookLM can help break down complex information into bite-sized, comprehensible pieces. Once you've typed in your prompt, look for the arrow button or the Submit option. Clicking this will relay your request to the AI, which will then process your information and provide a response. Now, to ensure this conversation doesn't disappear upon refreshing, locate the pin icon or Save to Note feature. Clicking this will securely store your chat in NotebookLM. Now, you've pinned your conversation and it's saved. To retrieve it, you can find the saved chat located at the bottom right of your screen. It's a handy spot because it keeps your saved notes accessible and organized. To make sure everything works correctly, try refreshing your page. This step is crucial as it checks whether your note is truly saved. Simply click on the Refresh button in your browser and confirm that your saved note remains intact and where it should be. If it's still there, you've successfully preserved your conversation. And there you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to save your NotebookLM chat, ensuring it's there whenever you need it, regardless of refreshing your browser. This process not only saves time, but also preserves the valuable insights from your interactions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this.